problem.
The Franke Flair Bean to Cup coffee machine is a high quality Swiss engineered machine supplied by Denberdale Coffee. Offering up to 100 drinks per day, it comes with an onboard water tank or a plumbed in option, high quality milk fridge unit, very simple to operate and use, single button. For this demonstration we're going to produce a Latte Macchiato. This drink option offers a 3-layer drink. First of all, it will dispense the hot flat milk. Straight after the hot flat milk, it will then dispense the froth milk, and then the espresso will then be dispensed thirdly to create 3 different layers for the drink. And there we have one very nice quality, well presented Latte Macchiato.